At Sol PV Group, we deliver expert solar installations for UK businesses. From commercial solar panels to battery storage and EV charging, we design and install renewable energy systems that reduce costs, cut carbon, and future-proof your operations. As one of the UK's leading commercial solar installers, we've been helping organisations power their operation sustainability with solar for more than 12 years. Our team brings over 25 years of combined expertise, trusted by sustainability leaders, facility managers, and operations teams across manufacturing, logistics, and retail. Our approach goes beyond panels. At Sol PV Group, every installation is built on expert design, precision engineering, and long-term performance. Our in-house design specialists use the latest performance software to optimize each system for output, payback, and lasting value. Whether it's a multi-site rollout, a complex industrial roof, or integrating with battery storage and EV charging, our advice is always clear, reliable, and built around your energy goals. At Sol PV Group, safety, detail, and performance are at the heart of every installation. That's why businesses choose us, because we deliver systems that perform today and for decades to come. With flexible funding options through our trusted partners, getting started with commercial solar has never been simpler. From manufacturing sites to distribution centers and retail and wholesale facilities, the evidence is in our case studies: lower energy bills, enhanced sustainability, and future-ready facilities. Sol PV Group, expert solar installation for UK businesses. Curious how your business could cut energy costs, reduce carbon emissions, and take control of your energy future?